with air gunner review. So if you've been following my channel for a while, the last time I took this out, the Pistelle X68, we went to dinner. It was about 2.5 hours. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I had charged it prior to leaving. When I came back, I tested it and I got one really good shot out of it. It was over like 52 joules or something like that. Highest joules I've ever gotten on it, but I only got one shot and it blew out all the air. When I opened it up, there happened to have been 3 of the O-rings had gone. So we're going to retest this again. We're going to go back out to dinner again. We're not going to be gone as long. This has all new O-rings in it that I did, I don't know, right after I blew out the 3 that blew. Those are stock. Now, Sean at Less Lethal for Dummies, he did kind of the same test, but his was a little different because he left it sitting on a table idle for almost 24 hours, and I think he's still using the same O-rings, nothing happened. There's a little bit of a difference here that I want to point out, is that I'm concealed carrying this, so it's going to get much warmer than normal. So now we have 2 things going bad for it. Number 1, I'm going to puncture. I'm going to leave it punctured for an hour or 2 hours, whatever it takes for us to go out, have dinner, come back. That's number 1. Number 2 is going to get much warmer than it would be if it was just sitting on the table, because I'm concealed carrying it. Now we're going to test with the infrared, and we're going to see what this actually comes out to be right now. 69.8, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to do it again just to see. This is 69.4, so around 69 degrees is what it is right now. So we're going to puncture it. We're all punctured. We're ready. I'm going to put it in my holster, concealed. We're going to go out to dinner. We're going to try this again. And when we come back, hopefully I'll remember that we're going to see how warm it is, number 1. Number 2, to see if the aftermarket O-rings happen to hold up better than the stock ones. We'll catch you on the other side. Back from dinner. I didn't tell you what time it was, and I actually had to look at my video timestamp. It was 6:37 when I holstered it. It is now 8:29. It'll be 8:30 in a couple seconds here. Let's see how warm it is. It'll be about 2 hours that I've had this on me, and let's see if it's any warmer than it was before. Let's see here. It's 77.4. Let me try another spot here. 78.4. Okay, so significantly warmer, which means it has been sitting in my holster, warming up, plus the CO2 is warm, which makes a greater chance for failure. Especially it's been 2 hours, and as we know with the Pistelle, when you hit the button, it fills up the back of the cap. The longer you wait, the warmer the CO2 gets, and the higher joules. We should be seeing higher joules, but a higher rate of it could be failing. Now this is what you should not be doing. I'm just doing this in the purpose of science, just to see what we can get away with. I certainly don't recommend it. Let's shoot this. Let's see what we get. Here we go. First shot. Oh my God, that was loud. 392. And guess what? I forgot to put everything on here. No eye protection on, no hearing protection, and that is a no-no. No wonder it was so loud. All right, let's try this again. Wow. $376. $360. $334. $310. $274. Any more? I don't even remember now. 242, and I don't think there's anything left. There's nothing left. So that was it. All right, 2 hours. Aftermarket O-rings held up, seemed to be held up fine, and it looked like a lot of power. I haven't put the numbers up yet. When you watch this video, they'll be there because I'm not sure exactly what it is. Anyhow, guys, as always, I appreciate you watching, subscribing, and all that good stuff. Have a marvelous day and a great new year, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.